Good morning, YouTube. Line on this back got you right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. This morning we're out here at Bumblebee Junction in our backyard food forest, YouTube. We're on the racks, YouTube. On the racks, we're growing all-weather cabbage, collard greens, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, and onions. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! We have indeed had an epic battle out here, YouTube, with the cabbage loopers, white flies, and aphids on both our collard greens and our cabbage here on the racks at Bumblebee Junction, YouTube. But nevertheless, they are indeed looking quite well on the racks here at Bumblebee Junction. Next to that planter, we have our recently planted Swiss chard and Brussels sprouts here in this particular planter. One planter over, we have our onions, our sweet Vidalia onions, and we also have garlic planted here in the front, YouTube. We have this wire temporarily over this planter, YouTube, because the squirrels love to see freshly tilled soil, and anywhere in this food forest back here where there's freshly tilled soil, the squirrels are very likely to investigate. So until our Swiss chard and our Brussels sprouts actually germinate here, we're gonna leave this wire over this particular rack here, YouTube. But nevertheless, our collard greens, YouTube, our collard greens and our cabbage here at the racks on Bumblebee Junction. Thanks for watching.